Hello guys! In this video we are going to be unboxing the JBL GO ESSENTIal Bluetooth speaker. The speaker has about 5 hours of playtime and it's IPX7 rated, which means that it can be submerged in up to 1 meter of water for about 30 minutes. But let's just begin the unboxing. So I think you pull this black thing and then take the white box out of here. Okay, so then you get a manual with a charger inside. We are not going to be needing this manual. But let's see. In here we have actually just got this speaker, so there's not a lot to this box. This is basically just it. So let's test this speaker by turning it on. As you can hear, it just turned on. Let's see if I can connect it to my phone. As you can hear, it connected. So let's try to play some awesome music on it. Okay, it's not very loud. Let's just turn it on the plus button. That sounds pretty good if you ask me. But I think that was everything for this short little video. I will leave a link to this in the description, so you should definitely check it out. See you guys in the next video.